Welcome back everybody to Investing with Ian. I'm back from a short little break. I wasn't able to make a video last week due to the holiday, but Bitcoin and cryptos never take a holiday, so there's a lot to go over in today's video, and I'll try not to make it very long. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like this type of crypto content. Yeah, so Bitcoin's been having a bit of a choppy price action. I mean, it's the end of the month as I'm recording this, and we're clearly not going to finish the month, even breaking all-time highs, which is fine. I mean, like we say, like everybody says in the community, the bull market is not over at this point in time. There's a lot of technicals that show us that the cycle hasn't ended, and it's just going to be pushed out a little bit further into the future. So nothing to worry about on that end. We will keep monitoring the situation. And Bitcoin right now is at 57.3. It was at almost at 59,000 earlier today. So yeah, it's more or less going sideways right now. And but with December coming up, hopefully that will change, and we'll start seeing some greener days. I do want to focus a little bit on Ethereum in this video, because I usually show you the Ethereum to the US dollar price action, which is, as you can see, it's at 46.65 as I'm recording this. But another way you can chart the Ethereum price is to compare it to Bitcoin. So over here we see Ethereum / Bitcoin. So it's just a ratio of how much is one Ethereum worth compared to one Bitcoin. So as you can see here, I drew this orange line to show that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, it's breaking out. It's breaking out to the upside, which is a good thing. It means that Ethereum is appreciating in price at a faster pace than Bitcoin is. And again, there's a lot of speculation going around saying that altcoin season is coming around the corner very soon. Altcoin season being just as the name suggests, a lot of the altcoins going up dramatically in price compared to Bitcoin. So anything that's not Bitcoin is an altcoin if you're super brand new. So yeah, that includes any of these coins that you see here. Your Cardano, Polygon, even Shiba, VeChain, Stellar. I mean, any one of these coins, I could go on and on listing all the coins, but I'm not going to do that. See what else is going on. Well, so yeah, before I move on from that, we will be monitoring the price of Bitcoin of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and see how high it goes. And again, that's just an indicator to show us how high Ethereum is going to go. It could still hit maybe 9,000, 10,000. Some people are still calling it to hit $15,000 or $20,000 by the time this little cycle is over. So it's exciting to see how high it'll go. What else? So there was an article a few days ago saying that Bitcoin did fall all the way down to mid $53,000 a few days ago, and the mainstream media, the mainstream news, this is CNBC, their coverage isn't the most accurate or the most relevant. I mean, again, maybe they don't understand Bitcoin on a specific level or on a fundamental level, but here 4 days ago they were saying that Bitcoin enters a bear market territory, as risk assets plunge on the new COVID variant. Their definition of a bear market is whenever the asset drops greater than 20% from its all-time high. So 69,000 is the all-time high as of right now. It dropped greater than 20%. So they were calling for a bear market. However, it has recovered. It's no longer that low. And then 1 day ago, now we're saying, oh, now it climbs above 58,000. Cryptocurrencies are rebounding from the sell-off. So the sentiment changes very quickly in this space. Crypto assets this is an entirely new asset class. It has nothing to do with you can't compare it to the traditional markets, your stock markets, your bond markets, treasuries, whatever. Crypto and Bitcoin is a whole new asset class. So when you see articles like this on CNBC, Bitcoin is entering a bear market, I would just take them with a grain of salt, because a lot of times they're wrong. And like we keep saying, the bull market isn't over. When Bitcoin hits a specific price target of, which is well above its all-time high, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000, I will be looking to take a little bit of profit, because that's what traders do, that's what investors do. You invest your hard-earned money, and hopefully you might be able to make a little bit of profit off of it. So, but not financial advice, and we have not reached that territory yet. I will definitely, let you know when we're approaching that. And then just real quickly, just to talk about the Metaverse. According to this article, it is a huge opportunity, a money-making opportunity. They're saying it's potentially $1 trillion opportunity. According to this report, users are increasing tenfold. A lot of people are getting into Metaverse tokens, Metaverse projects. You got your Sandbox crypto, you got your Decentraland, which is, the token's name is Mana. With Facebook turning into Meta, and all these new Metaverse projects coming, there's going to be a bunch of them, and they're going to be in competition with each other. So the more that you're able to invest in, the more you're able to invest into Metaverse, and the sooner that you're able to invest in it, I believe you'll be able to make some more profit. It'll be more lucrative. Again, this is just my opinion. I'm just a regular guy making videos online. And then next topic, really quickly. I like looking at this guy's charts. His name is TechDev on Twitter. He is the technical expert, and I'm just the guy interpreting the charts, and I like seeing these patterns. So over here on the left-hand side, we were looking at, this was like 4 or 5 months ago, when Bitcoin dipped all the way down below 30,000. So look right here. So it dipped below 30,000, and then the market sentiment was extreme fear at the time, and then Bitcoin recovered, and then it went sideways for a little bit, and then it went, up to the moon, up to the current 60,000 price range. And so we like to look at patterns. So let's jump over here to the current time frame, and again, the market sentiment is showing fear. People are fearful that, I don't know, that Bitcoin's going to crash due to the new COVID variant, Omicron, or however you pronounce it. So once again, we're at extreme fear, and then Bitcoin has recovered a little bit, and then it's going sideways, just like it did over here. So, just look at the patterns. If this trend continues, we might see some explosive price action here in the next month, in the next couple of months. So this is why we say that this is why we think that the bull market isn't over. There's still plenty of opportunity to get in, before the top. You don't want to buy in at the very top, because your uncle's neighbor's second cousin is going to be buying at the top and telling everybody that, that they made whatever profits. I mean, well, maybe that's not the best example, but you don't want to buy anything at the top. So Bitcoin clearly, according to all of this information, is not anywhere near the top. So maybe if you're still sitting on zero, you might want to consider getting in on crypto, getting in on Bitcoin. I do have a Coinbase referral link in the description of my videos, and I have confirmed that it does work, because I got a family member to use it, and it does work. You do get $10 of Bitcoin when you buy your first $100 of any crypto. And then I'll just leave it here on this last slide. I was looking for a different chart, but then I came across this, so I figured I would share this instead. According to Blockchain Center, the altcoin season index, they're just basing it off of, I believe this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, if I'm not mistaken. But, anything above this line would be considered altcoin season. And again, that just means when altcoins have crazy growth and, stupid amounts of money to be made. According to them, it's not altcoin season yet. So we're only at a 43. The number needs to come, over here to this side of the, slide over to this side to be considered altcoin season. So, yeah, so just all in all, this cycle isn't over yet. Could still see a little bit more choppiness in the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and insert your favorite altcoin before everything just goes vertical and goes sky high. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will keep you up to date and see where this goes and see where this ends up. Again, I think I say this in most on videos, but I'm excited to see how high the price of all these coins can go, because as long as we keep printing new money into the system, new money printing and new bailouts and infrastructure plans and everything, as long as new money keeps getting created, the price of Bitcoin and cryptos will keep increasing, because that's just the way it works. I mean, Bitcoin was designed to be deflationary, and it's eating all of the currencies of the world slowly but surely. So yeah, I think I'll go ahead and end it there. Thanks for watching, guys. I will hopefully see you soon in the next video. And this is Investing with Ian. Thanks.